based on an expectation, then an AI is based on rules provided by the programmer. Applied to a Boston Dynamics robot, it would be very specific. In order to walk, a robot is taught to adjust the angles of the joints of its legs a certain way and to use a certain timing to the steps to maintain balance. This would have been built in theory based on some observations of the movements of a living thing. When the robot fails and falls down, the programmer creates a new rule to prevent the fall and tries again. And with the expectation that a huge combination of these rules would make the Boston Dynamics robot behave like a living thing. This, however, is not the way modern AI works. It is not based on a set of human rules. And if you think this way, you will not appreciate the capability of an AI. So let's get to the next level of AI use in modern technologies. For example, like facial recognition. And this is called machine learning. The very basic explanation of machine learning is basically exploiting the ability of a computer to do a mathematical pattern recognition. This basic skill is completely numeric based. Computers cannot see things, nor hear things, nor see your text that you type on ChatGPT. AI computers simply translate data, whether it be an image, a sound, or text, into a bunch of binary numbers and does this in a consistent format. So to do facial recognition a la Facebook, you feed Facebook all your photos, and then by tagging individual faces in the photos, you are basically teaching the AI that those faces are in fact the named person. And even if you don't teach it who you are, it already knows what you look like based on the various profile photos you uploaded. When it comes to voice recognition, various combinations of sounds are fed to the computer with a training model that identifies the sounds as being certain vowels and consonants, even spoken with different voices and different accents. And the computer then learns to recognize what you are saying when you talk to Siri. This kind of AI capability is called machine learning. It is also called supervised learning, and it means that a human is injecting a human opinion about the numbers being collected by the computer. Again, to repeat, the computer just sees numbers. It has no comprehension of what a photo is, or a voice, or even a text conversation. A very basic example of machine learning is that you feed the computer millions of photos of cats. The machine looks for some pattern, again based on math, and the human told the computer that all these photos are cats. Thus, it is just pattern matching. Cats have a certain mathematical signature, or multiple patterns of signature. There's another capability a computer can do nowadays, and that is different from the old rules used in programming. Computers can infer something close to the pattern without the pattern being exact. This is just math. It's the assignment of probabilities to an observation. This allows a computer to make a conclusion about something without having some exact duplicate of a photo, for example. So the computer now has three layers of capabilities here in machine learning. Observe repeating mathematical patterns in the data, and then classifying the patterns in terms of varying levels of probability or confidence that they